excuse the framing. It won't be long, you won't be looking at me for that much longer. Hey, crackheads, what's poppin'? If you're new here, I'm Danny. Today I'm bringing you another shoe customizing video.
Air Force Ones.
Still learning, of course. I already prepped the shoes off camera, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Again, if you would like to buy any of these custom shoes that I make, I'm just saying, I got art on there too. Like, well, this is art. I meant like canvases, like abstract paintings. Boom. Boom. I really don't have a whole lot to say at the moment, so we're just gonna get started, okay? Let's get it.
Looking crispy already. Custom Air Force Ones, but in a God-honoring way.
It's a few days later. I just haven't taken the time to film this little part. I finished the shoes. Drum roll, please. Okay, I think they came out pretty dope. I like them a lot. I would wear these, except these are an 11 and a half. 11 and a half. I don't know, I slur my words together. I swear I'm not on anything. More pictures will be at the end, or clips, per usual. And if you want to buy these for yourself, or, you know, for a sibling, a friend, just somebody who you want to treat, here's my custom Instagram. You could also follow my normal social media too if you want. I mean, nobody's forcing you to, I'm just saying. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot, and it's your good deed of the day. So if you haven't done anything for anybody yet, help me. Help me. And if you're feeling extra nice, you can hit the subscribe button. Yeah. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.